channel. It's the Bliss Owen channel. For new subscribers, welcome. For old subscribers, stay tuned. So guys, this is this is me in my natural. Today is my typical wash day, and so I wanted to make a cute short video for you guys to show you guys how I pre-poo my hair before I wash it. So guys, this is my hair, all natural and everything. This is all mine, all mine, all mine. This is after humidity has struck my hair for almost 2 days, you know. So I wanted to show you guys the process or the ingredients I use in a type of pre-poo. Like, there are different types of pre-poo I use, but today I'm using simple ingredients for my pre-poo, and they are aloe vera. That's aloe vera juice, fresh aloe vera, not adulterated or chemicalized. I grow aloe vera personally, so I use it for my hair. So I squeezed out aloe vera, the aloe vera juice. Then I added cold rose hip pressed oil, something like that. Yes, rose hip oil. Then I added almond oil to it. Then I added 2 types of conditioners that I'm using at the moment, that I'm testing out at the moment, and I just mixed it and made a mixture, and voila, here we have it. So we have the mixture right here. So I'm going to section my hair into 4 parts. I'm going to spray it with water as usual. Guys, if you know my channel well, you know that I love water your hair, because it's a plant, it has to grow, you know. So I'm going to first spray my hair with water, then use this condiment to walk through my hair. Then I am going to now wrap it so that it can steam up naturally without any heat or anything. Just wrap it up and let it just sit in for a while, then go wash it out. So guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, you know, like, share, subscribe. Thank you for always watching my videos. So I'm going to take you guys through the process, and that will be all for this video. You don't even have to try to sweep me off my feet. When I'm having a bad day, you make me smile. I don't know how you get me to laugh, girl, you're funny. So guys, this will be all. So I'll leave this for probably 30 minutes to an hour depending on how comfortable. You know, sometimes aloe vera kind of itches the scalp, so it depends on how long I can sit in it. So I'll stay probably an hour, then I will wash it out, then I'll put it in a protective style again. So guys, if you like this kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and thank you guys for following me on this journey. As usual, I always say stay safe, you know, mask up, sanitize your hands, obey social distancing rules, and if you want to take the vaccine, like, kindly do so. But always endeavor to love yourself, take care of yourself, and do things that serve you first before serving others. It's the real, guys. As always, this is Owen. Bye.